When we see a profile of a researcher on Google Scholar, we see something like H index and i10 index. What does this mean? Let us understand. H index means that out of all M papers, H papers have at least H citations each. So firstly, we sort the papers by the number of citations. Then, after that, we try H equal to 1. So one paper has at least one citation. This is true. So we check H is equal to 2. Two papers have at least 2 citations each. Even this is true. Now we check H is equal to 3. 3 papers have at least 3 citations. This is also true. Now H equal to 4. 4 papers have at least 4 citations. No, this is not true. Hence, the H index will be 3 because 4 does not satisfy the conditions. Coming to i10 index, it was developed by Google Scholar. It is the number of papers which have at least 10 citations each. This researcher has only one paper with 11 citations. So the i10 index is 1. The higher the H index and the i10 index, the better is the researcher's profile. If you like our videos, please subscribe. It helps us support our channel.